Bird Day. Nature lovers, bird lovers, and bird watchers across the country annually recognize National Bird Day on January 5th. It's also one of several designated holidays celebrating birds. Let's take a look at some of the birds on the endangered species list. We produce 5 amazing videos per week, so please click on the like button and subscribe to see future videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Giant Ibis. Far more majestic than its smaller garbage-diving relatives, the giant ibis has been declared the most endangered and evolutionary distinctive bird in the world. Native to the marshes, wide rivers, and seasonal water meadows of northern Cambodia, with few individuals hiding out in southern Laos and perhaps Vietnam, these are some huge birds. California Condor. Nowadays, the California condor's decline has been pinned to its low output of offspring, poaching, lead poisoning, and habitat destruction. According to a study published in 2012, the leading cause of mortality in young condors is eating trash fed to them by their parents. Kakapole. The Kakapole, also known as the owl parrot, is a species of large, flightless, nocturnal ground-dwelling parrot endemic to New Zealand. It has finely blotched yellow-green plumage, a distinctive facial disc, a large gray beak, short legs, large feet, and relatively short wings and tail. Kagu. The Kagu is a crested, long-legged, bluish-gray bird endemic to the dense mountain forests of New Caledonia. Judging by that pose, there's a little bit of ham in that bird. Bengal florican. Native to the grasslands and open forest of Cambodia, the Bengal florican can also be found thousands of kilometers away in a second tiny population along the base of the Himalayas. It's thought that there are currently fewer than 1,000 adults left in the wild. Philippine Eagle. With its shaggy bronze mane and proud white crest, the Philippine Eagle is about as majestic as a bird can get, capable of growing to more than a meter long and 8 kilograms in weight. This stunning creature is the largest eagle in the world in terms of length. Forest owlet. Don't be fooled. This stocky little bird might look docile, but you wouldn't want to get in its way when it's hungry. The forest owlet wields ridiculously huge talons, which it uses to snare prey animals up to twice its own size. Christmas Island frigate bird. The Christmas Island frigate bird, or Christmas frigate bird, is a seabird which is an endemic breeder to Christmas Island in the Indian Ocean. The Christmas frigate bird is a large, lightly built seabird with brownish-black plumage, long narrow wings, and a deeply forked tail. Sumatran ground cuckoo. This striking little forest dweller hails from the thick, humid forest grounds of southern Sumatra. It keeps to the forest floor, where its dull green-brown and black plumage works as fantastic camouflage, unlike the bright ring of turquoise, blue, and magenta that orbits its eyes. Golden-cheeked warbler. The endangered golden-cheeked warbler lives and breeds in central Texas, specifically around the Edwards Plateau, Lampasas Cut Plain, and Central Mineral Region. Ranching, agriculture, and land development have contributed to the decline of this small, smart bird's habitat. Hawaiian goose or nene. The nene is the official state bird of Hawaii, also known as the Hawaiian goose. The bird was declared endangered in 1967 with an estimated population of less than 30 birds. They live only in the Hawaiian Islands of Maui, Hawaii, and Kauai. The human encroachment is blamed for their diminishing numbers. Hawaiian honeycreeper. The Hawaiian honeycreeper is among the most common native land birds of Hawaii. However, its numbers are decreasing. It is under threat from habitat destruction and climate change, as well as the proliferation of disease. Kirkland's warbler. The endangered Kirkland's warbler makes its home in the northern lower peninsula of Michigan. Experts often call it the bird of fire because its survival depends on the burning of its native jack pine forest for nesting. But when people began suppressing natural fires, the bird's existence was placed in jeopardy. Gunnison sage grouse. The Gunnison sage grouse lives south of the Colorado River in Colorado and Utah. Loss of habitat has been extremely detrimental for the animal, which requires a variety of land types for its survival, including sagebrush and wetlands.